Check this out, guys. Something we've been waiting on for a little while here. Before in the past we could get Hillsboro beds through another sub-dealer, but now we are a dealer for Hillsboro truck bodies only. We cannot do trailers, but we can do truck bodies. This first load we have most of the hybrid beds. We do have some aluminum of their skirted, their 3500 series on here, which is a good seller for us, but we do have a lot of the hybrids. Take a look at the new hybrids, what I'm going to call the SPV, which was what Martin's originally came out with. Martin's were the original front vertical box bed, and a lot of people's made their own version of it then after. But yeah, we're going to get these unloaded, get them pictured, videoed, and on the website. In the meantime, if you're interested in one of these, give us a call. We can get you all the info you need and get you scheduled in. These are going to be pretty much for 60-inch chassis trucks and down, and it's going to be some pickup deletes in there as well.